I know you can see the Christmas tree in the background. I'm really trying to keep it up for as long as possible. Like, it's almost February, but it's still here. It's great. I'm going to be following a tutorial that I found by someone called Sparkling Review. It's called a calm down jar. It's called a calm down jar. And I have a tough time sleeping at night, so even though most of the tutorials are for children, I'm going to use this because maybe it will help. A sealable container. I've got this. It's just a mason jar with a pretty lid. So I have these tiny mason jars also, because I might try and make a couple of those. So it calls for hot water, and some people say warm tap water is okay, but I'm using water from a kettle. Okay, so it says to fill this jar with 3/4 full of hot water. So boiling hot water, so 3/4. So 3/4 full. Add some Elmer's glue. I assume Elmer's glue is PVA glue, so I've got this. And to fill the rest of the way with glue, so just fill it up. And it's important that it's clear PVA. And then food colouring. So I don't have food colouring, but what I do have is paint. So I might just mix a tiny bit of paint, and I want to make a nebula sort of looking jar. There's a tiny bit of purple and there's a tiny bit of white, and just kind of see if it dyes the water at all. There we go. It's made a really pretty lilac. I'm scared it's all gonna like... This is to get the glue and hot water to mix it up. The next step is to add glitter. The tutorials say to use fine glitter and coarse glitter. So how do I make a nebula? I want to add a little bit of fine black because there's black in space. So, hello? Is it? Oh, it's not open. This is why I'm not doing the tutorial, I'm just following it. Now I can add the black. And then a little bit of silver. Oops. I can't open this, this is child-proof. Good thing that's not open. Love glitter, love it. Oh, I think I was supposed to wait for the bubbles to go down. Oh well, started now. So a little bit of our pink potion. That'll do, donkey. And then put the lid back on and then shake. Oh, that's pretty. How pretty is this? You can see them floating. That is so pretty. I'd quite like to add some more glitter actually. And then I'm going to add some more pink also. And shake. That's ridiculously pretty. May I make another one? I'm gonna make it in this mini jar though. We'll make 2 of them. Got my hot water. My clear PVA glue. The rest of the way. I feel like the more glue you add, the slower it falls. This one is 1/3 of the way full. So this one is 2/3 glue. What colours should we do this time? Let's make a Christmassy one. So let's do white, some red and green. Okay, it took me a good minute to realise that I wasn't filming anymore because I suck at this. I made 2 more, which I'll show you. I made this one, which is equally as pretty. I didn't dye this one, and I filled it with more glue than hot water. And then you can see like it just floats forever. So this one has more glue than hot water, and you can barely see it moving, but it's so pretty to look at. And this one I did not dye the water, and all the glitter is coarse, so you can see it's all sunk to the bottom. But when I shake it, it floats around really prettily. So this one was about half and half, equally half and half. I recommend doing it this way. It falls nicely. It's like, you know, it has some depth to it. So yeah, that's my video. I successfully followed a tutorial. Go me. Leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe if you want to. It makes me really happy and it's free. And I will see you next Thursday.